Okay, in this video we'll be taking a look at the blend options. Photoshop and Illustrator both have blending modes. Photoshop most prominently, and blending modes allow you to mix colors and change the appearance of one layer on top of another layer. So I have two layers here, one with the square and one with this circle on it. And again, blends are located under frame, so just like filters. So if I go to the frame section in the properties panel, and I will see that under color effects I have blend. We already took a look at color effects before. We took a look at filters, and now we're taking a look at blends. So under blend, we have a checkbox here to hide the object. And then we have a blend mode drop-down, and there's several different blend modes. And these are all broken up into different groups. So darken and multiply will darken the graphic in different ways. You see that they both get dark. Multiply gets a little bit darker than darken. And then we have some lightening modes. So lighten will lighten it, and then screen will show through a little more. And notice that the white is completely gone here. Anything that was on the white section is completely gone because that's taken into effect as well. So if I change the background color of the document to something other than white, you'll see that that affects that as well. So go back into modify to document and change it back to white. Okay, we still have the object selected. We'll go to frame, and then so under screen we have overlay, and we have hard light, two of the most commonly used blending modes. So multiply, overlay, hard light, and screen are pretty much ones that you're going to use quite often. Then we have add, we have subtract, and difference, which gives us some really weird effects. Difference is the difference of the color on top from the color below. Notice that it's like completely converting this yellow into this pink, and this yellow into blue based on what's behind it. We have invert, we have alpha, which completely makes it disappear, and erase, which also makes it disappear. Setting it back to normal will bring it back to normal. And those are the blending modes. And again, these blending modes are based on the frame, so you can't use motion tweens. You'll have to use classic tweens in order to animate these blending modes.